Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add Shopify to your website. So first you can log into your account. So we're going to go to Dataczar.com, and let me get my email address on there and my password. Okay, so that's going to take me to Dashboard. Let's go ahead and let's get rid of this. Let's go full screen. Okay, so from Dashboard, what we want to do is we want to go to Website. This is where the editing tools are. We have Post, Pages, Settings. Those are all the editing tools for your website. Post and Pages work identical, so we're going to focus on Pages today because not only we're going to add a page to a link, we're also going to add a link as a page. So let's go ahead and go to Pages. And right here, we're going to add a page, but real quick, let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is the website we've been using. So we're going to add a page right here, and a link is a page right here. So let's go back to Connect. So let's go ahead and hit Add Page right here. And from here, let's go ahead and put the title and AAA Outdoor Shopify, and let's go ahead and put some text down here. Let me go ahead and just copy it from my other screen. Let's paste it in, and let's go ahead and make this bold, italic. Let's go 18 point. And then maybe with this, we'll go bold and let's go 14 point. So let's go ahead and highlight all this, center it. So hello and welcome to our AAA Outdoor Shopify. We offer XYZ. You can list the different products and things such and such. And then right here, we're going to click here to visit our AAA Outdoor Shopify. So let me go ahead and grab the URL. So the URL is when you open a Shopify account, your account's going to have a URL or a domain where you're going to be able to link it up. So right here, we're going to highlight this and we're going to hit the link button right here. And we're going to paste in our URL. Now we're pasting in shopifyonline.com or .com/online. And this isn't an actual Shopify account, but it works the same. It's the link to Shopify, and if you have an account, you would just log in, you put your link right here. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And now this is linked up. So after you make your page, you're going to go ahead and click Create. And that creates the page there. So let's go ahead and let's tab over. And we're going to go ahead and do a hard refresh on this. And there it is, our AAA Outdoor Shopify. We're going to come back in just a minute and we're going to look at this. But real quick, let's go back to Connect. Let's go back to Pages. And this time, we're going to add a link as a page. So instead of Add Page, remember we're on Website and we're on Pages. And now, instead of adding a page, we're going to add a link as a page. So we're going to click on this link here, and we're going to enter the link right here. And we also need to enter a title. And this one we're going to name our AAA. How about our AAA Shopify? Okay. So that's all you need to do to add a link as a page. And I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. I'm going to hit Create. And then that created it down here. So we have our AAA Outdoor Shopify page that we created, our link that we created as a page. So let's go ahead and go back to the website. And we're going to do another hard refresh, and our link as a page is going to show right here. So we have our our AAA Outdoor Shopify and our AAA Shopify link. So here's the page that we created, and we're going to click on this to take us to our AAA Outdoor Shopify, and there it is. It's this. If you have an account, then of course you'll be logged in. It'll take people directly to your account. So let's tab back over, and this time, instead of clicking on the link that we added here, we added the link as a page. So here you can tell people about your page. They can click on the link. If you want people just to go directly to your Shopify, you can add it as a page. So you click right here, and it takes them directly to your Shopify. Let's go ahead and tab back over to the website, and that's it. So there's the page that we added, and then there's the link that we added as a page. So let's go back to Connect, and let's go back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how you add Shopify to your website at Dataczar Connect.